Well, Hurricane Dorian is off the coast now, tracking to the northeast, but it did bring some impacts to areas of Massachusetts. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon explains where and what those were.
Southeastern Massachusetts felt the impacts from Hurricane Dorian Saturday morning when tropical storm warnings were still in effect. They have since been canceled. However, since the center was located off the coast, they missed the worst of it. Instead of hurricane force winds, they instead felt tropical storm force winds that brought gusts from 30 to 60 miles per hour. Wellfleet saw a 60-mile-per-hour gust, Provincetown 63-mile-per-hour gust, and Nantucket over 50 miles per hour. Later in the day, winds still gusted to 25 to 30 miles per hour. Up to 2.5 inches of rain was estimated by radar over Nantucket Friday night into early Saturday morning, with an additional few inches of rain over the rest of the Cape and the other islands through the rest of Saturday morning. Now, with a 3-foot astronomical tide, a 2-foot storm surge that led to 5-foot tides, which is the threshold for starting minor coastal flooding in Nantucket Harbor. Although this is below the 5.5-foot threshold that causes more significant flooding there. If Dorian's track shifted more to the north rather than the northeast, the worst of it would have focused over Connecticut and Rhode Island. But since hurricanes weakened significantly when they hit land, since their fuel is warm water, the impact still would have been minimal here in western Massachusetts. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Kelly Reardon.